I'm Russ Ward from Pixels and Pills, and I'm with Jules Pancholi from Nitro Digital. Is that right?
Yep.
Nitro Digital in the UK. And we're at the ePatient conference, and I'm just talking to Jules about his experience and engagement here today with the sorts of things that he's found interesting and useful to him.
Thank you for having me. So, well, so far I'm really enjoying the conference. Actually, it's a different crowd to the ones you normally get at the industry conferences. It's a much more patient-focused, engaged crowd, and I've really enjoyed some of the speeches today as well. I like the format; they've kept it sort of with quite a lot of momentum, and I think for the main objective I had for coming here today was to help John Pugh launch a game we've been developing called Serum, and that's been pretty well received so far. Lots of action on Twitter about it, and yeah, it's given us some good ideas to develop it further.
So tell us a little bit about the purpose of this game, if we may, in terms of what you're trying to do in the marketplace.
So I think one of the principal challenges that the industry's facing relates to the way that we communicate with patients groups, and explain the value of what we do and the complexity of what we do. So the goal of the work we've been doing has really been to try and help bridge that gap, and that's first through the use of different social media channels to help various different pharma clients communicate with that, but also through doing development using some gamification techniques to try and help condense complex things like clinical research into more consumable, digital sound bites, for want of a better phrase.
Very good. And you found this to be effective so far?
Yeah, I mean it's pre-launch, so anything could happen, but we think we're pretty optimistic at the moment. And I think actually one of the things that the lady from Meredith was saying from Manhattan Research earlier is, also don't forget the search angle and intent and how people become aware of your offerings. So I think that's been I suppose a very good reminder today that probably need to always make sure that we've got that front of mind as well.
So, Jules, for people in the UK, in your part of the world, if they're interested in talking to you more about this and finding out more information, how should they contact you?
Oh, well, you can always find me via our website, nitro-digital.co.uk, and also I'm on Twitter, Jules Pancholi, and Facebook, Jules Pancholi as well.
Jules, thank you very much for the opportunity of talking to you, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the conference.
Thank you very much, and I wish you guys best of luck too. It's great.
Thank you. This is Russ Ward from Pixels and Pills at the ePatients conference.